Welcome to Double D Do Business. Get ready for our quick dLog packed with insights and inspiration. Think, reflect, and join the conversation. Double D, your thought and positive agitation guides. Let's go.
I was thinking this morning about the power of the word problem. If any of us have ever learned about the impact of positive language, it's natural to look at the word problem and want to change it to a word like challenge or issue, where you soften the impact of the word problem. But here's the problem with the word problem when we do that. A problem is a problem until it's not a problem. Now, I know this may sound ridiculous and almost poetic rhyme that makes no sense, but if you just stay with me for a little bit longer. If I was to tell you that often when we're working with sales companies, you can have people who are working with you who want to turn the word problem into challenge. Or if you're working with a client who's got a problem in their operations, they want to turn that word into a challenge or an issue far too early, way before the moment it's no longer being a problem. Let me put it to you like this. If you think about the word problem or a real problem and the mental state that elicits, which means the conditions it makes you feel, think, or experience, even actual real-time problems in your business, systems, process that are going wrong, while they're in that state of going wrong, while they're in that state of being fixed or being looked at, they are still a fully fledged problem. When you start taking action towards scoping out the plan to fix it, it's still a problem. When you start going into a process against a time scale where there's a road to fixing it or a process to fixing it, that's when it's no longer a problem. And that and only then is when you start to change the word to challenge or to something different or to process or to project or give it a name or an identity you can actually make sense of. Here's the problem with getting rid of the word too early. You forget the pain that goes with it. You forget the issues it was creating. You almost put down the severity of the moment or the impact of it because you want to feel good about taking action. You want to feel good about getting ready to take action. And sometimes we make it not a problem far too soon. So let me make sense of that. Problem's not a problem until it's no longer a problem. The problem is the problem. That's step one. All of the ways you feel about it, all the ways that you think about it, they are what they are. Then, when you're looking at the plan, it's still a problem. All of those feelings are still there. It only stops becoming a problem when you've moved into action. And in step three, that's when you move the word problem into challenge. And I'd like you to think about how this makes any sense to you. It's good to overcome problems. It's really good to reframe them even. But the truth is, we should only reframe them when action has occurred and we're on the road to fixing the problem and turning it into a project or a challenge.
Thank you for tuning into Double D and our dLog. Remember to think, reflect, and share your thoughts with us too. Thanks for joining us on our quick dLog journey. Until next time.